Racing just is started. We have Z Master break quickly at a start. Cuts away player bottoms is on the outside. Long nose hook. Barkadahan is down on the inside. Scout Ranger. Color My World Transform Never. Sobrang class. Janels episode comes next. Vitron Lucky Lorky. How did you know? While Flash Away is the early trailer by about 16 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have C Master. Whirling and he has moving up now to take second is Sobrang Class. Cuts away is on the outside. Barkadahan is down on the inside. Player bottoms moving up on the outside. Long nose hawk Scout Ranger. Vitron Janels episode Friends for Never. Then next online is Color My World. Then followed her by Lucky Lorky. How did you know? Second last while Flash Away is still racing in 14th. Last 400 meters of the race. We have C Master by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Sobrang Class moving up on the outside. Long nose hook. How did you know? As they swing for home, we have C Master, Sobrang Class, Player Bottoms, long nose hook. Last 100 meters, we have C Master by our length and a half, followed by Sobrang Class, and finally C Master. Sobrang Class, Player Bottoms, 11 Friends for Never, Lucky Lorky, and number 10, Long Nose Hawk.
Nanalo rin si C Master.